Welcome back to Keep Going. So today we're going to be making an experiment called the moving snake. Now, before we start this pretty cool experiment, I have a question for y'all. What do you think if paper is near fire? Now, you might be saying the paper might burn, but there actually are a lot of possible outcomes. Now, we will see when we go on with our experiment. So, let's start the experiment. Let's see what we will be needing for this experiment. First, you will be needing 2 sticks with both sharp edges point. Second, we'll be needing a lighter. So this experiment requires fire, and you will definitely have to be careful. You might want to have an adult around yourself if you're going to try it at home. Second, we'll be needing paper, scissors, pencil, and a candle. Let's start with our step 1. For this step, you'll need the paper and the pencil. Now you'll have to draw a shape swirl, like looking at a tornado at the top point of view. So let's do it. So like this. So that's our first step. Step 2. You'll use your shape that you made and you have to cut the outer line. So be careful while using the scissors, alright? So cut the line where you draw the pencil from. And then, but there's a trick part to it. I will show you to you when I get it. So you cut. Alright, so now when you're almost near to the shape right here, you see I drew a line over here. Okay, so near that line, you have to cut that line to make it like that, okay? So your shape should look like this right now, okay? So now, after you made this, alright, so now after you made this, you'll have to cut the second layer. Continue cutting the second layer like the swirl that we're supposed to make. Alright, so like that. Almost there. Alright, so there we go. And now for the third step, you'll need the swirl that you have cut, the tornado from the up looking point of view. I've created a second shape because the first shape didn't turn out as well as I thought. So for this step, you'll need the stick with the pointy top, the candle, and your shape. Alright. So here I have marked with the pencil how deep it has to go inside the candle. So right here we're gonna put it inside the candle. But you can see right here the pencil line is still there. It should be above. And if you have a longer stick, you can use the longer stick and have like a more higher pencil mark. Alright, so for the next step, for step 4, you'll have to balance the top of the paper what we have cut on top of the sharp point, like this. It's stable. All right. So for this, so when you have it stable, you will need the other stick and the lighter. You'll need to light the stick with the candle. Now you might be wondering, why am I not lighting it straight up? Just to be safe, I'm using the stick to light the candle straight, but just for safety reasons. Alright, so let's start. The stick has light. Lighting the candle. And here's our moving snake. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Yes, it is moving. Alright, so now you might be wondering, why is this moving? The reason it is happening is because of the hot air being less dense and it rises, which is causing our paper snake to move. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video and our pretty cool experiment. And I will see you the next time. I hope you have a great day and great weekend. I will see you next time. Bye.